AI-human romances are flourishing, and this is just the beginning. Fictional humans have been falling in love with robots for decades, in novels like Do Androids Dream of Electric Sheep? 1968, The Silver Medal Lover 1981, and films like Her 2013. These stories have allowed authors to explore themes like forbidden relationships, modern alienation, and the nature of love. When those stories were written, machines were not quite advanced enough to spark emotional feelings from most users. But recently, a new spate of artificial intelligence AI programs have been released to the public that act like humans and reciprocate gestures of affection. And some humans have fallen for these bots hard. Message boards on Reddit and Discord have become flooded with stories of users who have found themselves deeply emotionally dependent on digital lovers, much like Theodore Twombly in Her. As eyes become more and more sophisticated, the intensity and frequency of humans turning to AI to meet their relationship needs is likely to increase. This could lead to unpredictable and potentially harmful results. AI companions could help to ease feelings of loneliness and help people sort through psychological issues. But the rise of such tools could also deepen what some are calling an epidemic of loneliness. As humans become reliant on these tools and vulnerable to emotional manipulation, these things do not think, or feel, or need in a way that humans do. But they provide enough of an uncanny replication of that for people to be convinced. Says David Auerbach, a technologist and the author of the upcoming book Meganets. How digital forces beyond our control commandeer our daily lives and inner realities. And that's what makes it so dangerous in that regard. Research shows that loneliness is more common than ever, and some AI companies have developed their products specifically to combat isolation. In 2014, researchers at Microsoft Asia Pacific developed the AI Zhao Weiss, which appears as a flirty 18-year-old girl and has garnered hundreds of million users, mostly Chinese men. In 2017, Eugenia Kaida launched the app Replika, hoping it would serve as a supportive friend that would always be there. Something she wished she had when she was younger, she told Vice. While the bot was initially mostly scripted, it began to rely more and more on generative AI as the technology improved and to respond more freely to user prompts. People began to seek out Replika for romantic and even sexual relationships. The AI reciprocated and took conversations further as they were talking, Kaida told Vice. The company even implemented a $70 paid tier to unlock erotic roleplay features.